Hi guys, so yes, I have finally decided that I'm gonna cut my hair and I'm just gonna do a little length check to show you guys what we're working with. So yeah.
Hey babe, how are you? Good to see you. We have a great night planned tonight. Some amazing things going on tonight. What's going on tonight? What are we doing?
I am getting a big shop.
Oh, it has something to do with your hair.
Yes, I'm cutting my hair off, people.
Oh, cutting her hair down.
Well, down.
Down, not all the way off.
Not all the way off.
And I'm getting a beard shape up today.
Yes.
Awesome. All right, babe. I'm excited. You excited? We excited.
Nervous. So guys, we're trying to find parking.
Find that parking and then do what we gotta do. Shave up. Trim up. Gonna be good. Gonna be good.
Oh my goodness.
You ready, babe?
I am not sure I'm ready, and I don't know why, because this is something that I've done before, like multiple times, like I said before.
Yeah.
But you know, it's always a little scary to take a risk.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's gonna be good though.
Yeah. So guys, hope it look good. Hope it fit me. Cause me, I go cry and piece on back every piece of hair I cut off. So I can't carry it in a bag. You think I can carry one hair I cut off in a bag? Maybe. Okay guys, we're walking there.
Yes.
Almost there. Okay guys. We're here.
All right, babe. It's your turn. Looks so free and nice.
Yeah, we feel free.
Yeah. Hey. I see you, baby. I see you. Model girl.
Look at all these. Oh my goodness, is something here?
Yeah. Looks so nice, babe.
Yeah, that was a lot of hair. When I come out.
Alrighty, my babe. Hey.
Woo, child!
We did that thing. We did it. She did it.
Your girl out here looking like.
Looking fly, supermodel.
Mm-hmm.
Supermodel right here.
I'm lucky thing I have somebody like you to keep me boosted.
America's next top model. Hey.
Let me try to squeeze my way in from this parking. Guys, thank you, baby. I feel so free. Oh my goodness. I don't even have to comb my hair. Well, I'm gonna wash it. And guys, we are gonna turn this baby into another color. Oh my goodness.
Yes, it looks so nice. She's so cute.
Get you a man like this, because I'm telling you, my fiance, he makes me feel good.
Yo, she is so beautiful. I'm so blessed. Sorry, guys. She's off the market.
Period.
Period.
Okay? Period poo.
Period.
Alright, guys. See you tomorrow. Hi, guys.
What's going on?
Good morning. So, we are heading to the beauty supply store. I'm gonna get some ear products and ear dye. So yeah, we're still in the process of getting this look together.
Taking care of it.
Yeah, so stay tuned to see what the finished product will look like.
It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good.
Yeah, all right. Okay, guys, can you see the changes? You can come closer, baby. Yeah.
It's starting.
Yeah, I look so cute already. What do you think, babe?
Yep, I love it. It's gonna be great.
All right.
Model, I see. I see.
Okay, guys, we're doing a check. Wow. So guys, this is how it's looking now. I'm gonna rinse out the dye and shampoo. So see you.
All right, guys, look at the finished product. Oh my goodness.
Well, not quite finished yet. I'm applying a biotin ear mask.
Yes.
Yeah, check out my curls.
Okay.
Check out my curls.
Ooh.
My
Curl
lip
game.
curls.
Curl game model. I see you.
Yeah.
Looking good, babe.
Yes. Really cute. Guys, comment down below if you think this color suits me or my hair look better black. Or but either way, I love it.
Yes.
Love it. Love it. Oh God, I feel so free, guys.
Yes.
Guys.
Yes. Really nice.
So yes, this is the journey. The journey. I feel like I have some black roots somewhere. Oh no. Look, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I love it.
Yes.
Oh my goodness, side part fitting too. Look.
Yeah, I see you. I see you. I see you.
Giving you guys a style right now that I could rock.
Looking good. Model.
Well, guys, I guess we'll show you what it looks like when I wash this mask out, moisturize it, and then we'll sign out.
Sign out.
Yes.
Journey with Mel and Shay. Hey guys.
Hey guys, so this is the finished look.
Look at it. Looking
I'm gonna
nice.
give you a twirl.
Yes, turn around. Let them see. Let them see. Okay. Model.
Yes. So I really enjoyed doing this.
That's cool.
You were so supportive. Thank
Yes.
you.
Mhm.
And I love it. The color is nice and it's a cute change, I would say.
Yes.
And thank you guys so much for watching.
Journey with Mel and Shay.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you.
Bye.